Hi friends, this is Pujita and welcome to my YouTube channel JobsAdda by Pujita. Friends, if you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on bell icon so that you can get notification whenever I posted a video and you can watch the video immediately so that there is an opportunity for you to apply for a job whenever you get a notification. Okay friends, so my suggestion, friends, please watch the entire video. Don't skip the video in the middle. By chance if you skip the video, you're going to miss some of the main important points which are posted by my friends. So all the best. In this video today I'm going to share you the details of the company, whichever the one of the best MNC company details, and the job description, and as well as about the locations where the company is hiring, and what are the designations company is hiring. So all these details, this is the overview of the company I'm going to share in this video. Okay, all the best friends. So friends, if you can see on the screen, this is today's topic. We are talking about the HGS company, friends. So it's one of the best MNC company in India. So they're right now hiring for different vacancies. So if you can see here, choose your country. This HGS is having many of the branches in different countries like Canada, India, Jamaica, Philippines, UK and USA. So today I am going to share you details only the vacancies available in India, friends. So HGS is nothing but Hinduja Global Solutions. So they are into many industries also. If you wanted to open this HGS website, you can open any of the browser, and in the search bar you can enter https://s/, and you can mention joinhgs.com. After mentioning this, you will be redirected to this website, friends. So this is this is the official website of HGS. So if you wanted to see the careers option, so you can see here this home, who we are, life at HGS, meet our people, alumni connect, blog and careers. So if you can see here careers, after clicking on careers you can find three options like current openings, resource center and career playbook. So I wanted to know about current openings, right? So I am clicking on current openings. So a new page will be opened over here. All the current openings which are available in India according to branch wise, they will be showing you. So right now the page has opened. So if you can see here the tab like home, careers, current opening. So these are the current openings available right now. So if you can see here, refine your search. So refine your search means you can mention any of the keyword. If you are looking for customer care process, you can enter customer care and you can search over here, and location preference is also there. If you wanted to search location wise, you can select like here, you can click on tick mark, then only Bangalore jobs will be coming. If you click on Chennai, only Chennai jobs, Hyderabad, Mumbai. So you can sort out the jobs whichever you want it. Okay, and next coming to here, you can find all the job vacancies right now. So the first job vacancy is trainee process consultant voice process. So the job location is in Chennai and they are having 100 vacancies for this position, and the job code will be HGS 277. This is for your reference, you can keep it. Okay, and the next position name is senior manager quality DE. So and the work location is in Hyderabad, and the vacancy is in only one position vacancy is there, and the HGS 190 is the job code. And the next position is technical support executive voice process, and the location is in Bangalore, and the positions are 50, and the job code is HGS 127. And the next position is customer service executive non-voice process, and the it is into healthcare. So currently Bangalore is there, and other two locations are also there, that is Chennai and Mumbai. For these three locations they are hiring the positions, and 50 positions are there, and the job code will be HGS 129. So trainee, next position is trainee process consultant, and it is also a voice process, and the work location is in Hyderabad, and 80 vacancies are there, and the job code is HGS 188. And the next position is trainee process consultant, and Windstream process they are hiring for, and the work location is in Bangalore, and the job code is HGS 189, and the number of job vacancies is 50. So all these are job vacancies available in HGS as of date. So maximum 300 plus job vacancies you can find. If you see view more option, if you click on that, you will be finding more details about that company. And if you see here apply now option, I'll show you how to apply for the job. So if you click on this apply now option, you will be redirected to this page, friends. So this is the page where you can fill all the details and you can apply for the job registration. So this is the registration process, friends. So if you can see here, personal, address, education and experience, these are the 4 pages you have to fill for applying for this job. So if you can see here, salutation, you can select your own salutation. If you are gents, Mr. If you are ladies, Miss or Mrs. like that, you can select it. And the first name, it should be like they have mentioned, name should be as per Aadhaar or 10th mark sheet. So according to that, you have to fill your name also, first name, middle name and last name. These 3 has to be same according to your Aadhaar card or 10th mark list. And your personal email ID which you are using, you can mention over here. And your active mobile number you have to mention, and your date of birth as per Aadhaar card or 10th mark sheet. According to that only you have to mention. And the gender, you have to select your gender, male or female. So where did you hear about this? So you can select from where you have listened about this job vacancy. And also you can mention over here manually also, like YouTube or Google, from job website, like that. So preferred location they're asking. So you right now have select for the Chennai location, right? Only Chennai location I'm getting, so I can select here Chennai. Okay. And the HGS center you have to select. So you can find here many HGS centers, like, so you can select according to your nearby location over here. Okay. And the next Aadhaar card number you have to mention, and you can fill here choose file, upload resume. So you can upload your recent resume, and you can click on OK. After that you can find here address tab. So after address, filling education and experience, after filling all this detail, you can click on register now. So after clicking on register now, you will be getting a mail ID. You will be getting a mail to your mail ID that your thanks for registering for us, and thanks for applying for the job. If your profile has been shortlisted, we will get back to you shortly. They'll either give a call to you or reply through the mail, friends. So this is the process for applying for a job in HGS. And so if you can see here screen, home, who we are, life at HGS, career, blog, meet our people. So in HGS also the life, how they will lead their life, how is corporate culture, everything was over here. So if you can see, this is the life at HGS tab. Like everyone has a voice, everyone can speak over here, like they are mentioned across 7 countries we are having this branches in HGS. And global mindset and the quality of the work and how the company growth has happened, pride in execution, integrity, customer focus, empowerment. So all these details will be there. And our culture, so their employees, how they will treat their employees, everything will be like over mentioned here. HGS way of life, so the growth, learning and mentorship, teamwork, empathy and compassion, dynamism and tenacity. These are the main points. They will be these main points will be applicable for a growth of a company. So this compulsory they have to be celebrating our success. So award functions will be there. They will be conducting many of the events like that. So it would be very good. It's in corporate culture. So don't miss this opportunity, friends. So all the best. So if you like this video and if you are interested to apply for this job, please apply for the job and forward this video or link to your friends who is looking for a job. Thanks for watching my video. All the best.